save me. Receive my heart. You have given me your Spirit, who bears these fruits. It is the Holy Spirit that gives us these virtues. Oh, just like Jesus, who came down from heaven. To rejoice every day and to live in peace without any worry. It is the Holy Spirit that gives us these virtues. Oh, just like Jesus, who came down from heaven. Help me to love others and support everyone, and to keep forgiving those who wrong me. It is the Holy Spirit, oh, that gives us these virtues. Oh, just like Jesus, who came down from heaven. Strengthen me so I may endure without complaining at all, and help me control my body and all its desires. It is the Holy Spirit, oh, that gives us these virtues. Oh, just like Jesus, who came down from heaven. Gentleness and humility, yes, love everyone. Teach me as you give me your Holy Spirit. It is the Holy Spirit, whoa, that gives us these virtues. Oh, just like Jesus,